Safe Mode is a state of Windows that can help troubleshoot problems on your HP computer. To enter Safe Mode from Windows 10, select Start, type Recovery Options, and select it from the results. Under Advanced Startup, select Restart Now to restart your computer. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. You might have to select See More Recovery Options to display startup settings. Click Restart to restart into the Startup Settings menu. Press F4 or select Enable Safe Mode to restart Windows using minimal files and drivers. Press F5 or select Enable Safe Mode with Networking to restart Windows in Safe Mode, but with additional networking drivers and services for accessing a local network or Internet. If prompted, sign into Windows. To exit Safe Mode, restart the computer.